everybody, I hope you're all having a fabulous day. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna talk about my favorite morning skincare and beauty products that I use almost every single day. I am skincare obsessed, I think is safe to say. I probably have at least 100 products in my arsenal of things that I use for skincare, and I attribute it to me having such great skin as I've turned 30, and also genetics plays a huge role in this as well. So this is gonna be more so me talking about the products. I'll show you how I apply it to my face and the entire routine itself. I guess this is more like my morning skincare and beauty care routine versus my favorite products, but they also are my favorite products, so you take what you want. I love these products, I use them every day. They're great for the morning. Some of them I also use at night, and let's get into this. Up first this is my cleanser. I absolutely love this. It's the first thing that I do most mornings, unless I've done a really intense skincare at night, in which I'll just like rinse my face and then get into the actual skincare itself. But if I didn't do that, I start my morning off with Youth to the People's Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. I think this is probably the third or the fourth bottle that I've gone through. I have been using this product for, I want to say at least 4 years now, because I was using this in Columbus and I've already lived in Colorado for 3 years. This is such a gentle cleanser. It's got this really great consistency to it. It's super smooth on your skin, and what I love about it is it's got just a light foaming essence to it. It's not overly scented. I have very sensitive skin, and so I have to be really careful and conscious of the products that I use on my face, and this is absolutely one of my all-time most used skincare products in my entire arsenal of things that I own, and I own a lot of skincare products. If I am looking for a little more in-depth, like, you know, getting really that dirt and the grit off of my face, I will go in with my Foreo. I absolutely love this. This has two sides to it. It has one side that's got much finer bristles to it, and on the back it has more thicker, more like intense bristles that you can use on your face. This product can be used on your face, it can be used on your neck, on your legs. I absolutely love this. It's like an exfoliant, and it just helps to kind of get those products to penetrate into the skin and to give you that perfectly clean, so soft, baby soft, beautiful, clean skin, and I absolutely love this. I actually keep this in my shower, and I most often use this at night, but like I said, if I'm feeling like my skin just really needs a full-on refresh, I will do this in the morning as well, because it's so much better than my fingers. It's made out of silicone, it is rechargeable, and the battery lasts forever. I think I've had this for at least 1.5 years now, and I've actually only fully charged it, I believe, 1 time. So it's awesome, it's waterproof, it's amazing. I travel with this goes everywhere with me. So after I've cleansed my skin, she's all clean, she's all fresh, I love to use Glow Recipes Plump Hyaluronic Serum, which is a deep hydration and glow serum. And hyaluronic acid is so great for just hydrating that skin, making it look plump, making it look juicy, which is all the things that I'm going for in my skincare routine. So my goal with all of my skincare is to be able to make my face look as flawless as possible, so that I don't have to use foundation and I don't have to use a ton of makeup products, because I really would rather have my skin looking flawless just as it is versus having to add all of these additional things beyond just the skincare. This is the first serum of several serums that I use in the morning. After I have used that hyaluronic serum, I have been obsessed lately with Dr. Dennis Gross's Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. My goodness, that is a mouthful. I love this. If I could tell you what this feels like when I put it on, to me, it literally feels like I am putting a filter on my face. It is crazy how this minimizes your pores. It just makes your skin look so incredibly flawless. I've been using this one for about a month. It's the newest thing in all of the products that I'm using currently, and I cannot live without this. I actually use this in the morning and at night, and I just love the results. I'm really, really in love with Dr. Dennis Gross's entire line. They're clean, the products are made with really good ingredients, and they're very, very effective. This next step is one that I don't necessarily do every single day because I typically like to gua sha my face at night, but I use this product specifically for those moments when I want to gua sha my face, which I feel like just helps to depuff your face. It helps to chisel your jawline, your cheekbones, and I just really, really love the way that tool works for my skin. And one of the things that you need in order to do gua sha properly is you need a little bit of slip on your skin. And so for me, it's always gonna be an oil of some sort. Right now, my all-time favorite is from Herbivore. It's the Emerald oil. I love the green color that it is. It's a hemp seed and adaptogen deep moisture glow oil. This actually also has a CBD version as well, so if you're looking for redness reduction or to calm your face in general, you should get the one that has the CBD infused into it as well. This is the most luxurious feeling oil on your skin. It's so soft and moisturizing at the same time. A little bit goes a long way. I literally use like 2 to 3 drops of this for my entire face and neck, and then I go in with my gua sha using the right pressure on my entire face to properly get rid of all of the built up puffiness that might be around my face. And as you can see, I like to start on one side of my face, go to the bottom of my neck, then go from the other side of my neck up to the top of my face and finish with my forehead. I really, really love this, and I think it is absolutely amazing. And for me, this is definitely an essential for my nighttime routine, and it's an occasional for my morning routine, just depending on how I'm feeling, how my skin is feeling, and what I'm thinking that I need for the day. So I always recommend that if you're gonna use any kind of oil on your face, definitely give yourself 2 minutes to let that oil sink in and set in, because you want to kind of let your face reset before you apply more products after you've used any kind of oil, whether that's in the morning or at night. And this is just to help like that product to really soak in to your skin. So what I like to do is I like to brush my teeth, do the full 2 minutes. I have a toothbrush that's 2 minutes long and it beeps at me when it's done, and then I'm ready to apply the rest of my products for the day. This next product is another Youth to the People product. I really, really love their brand. It's probably one of my all-time favorite brands and has been for many, many years. This is their Clean Caffeine Energy Serum that has 15% vitamin C in it. Vitamin C is so great for your skin, and it just helps to continue to rebuild. This is specifically a brightening and a firming, depuffing serum. So all of those things that I'm looking to do and to prevent, because for me right now with where my skin is, I am all about age prevention. So I think the more skincare that I can continue to use and that's effective for my skincare type, the better I'm going to be when I'm 40 and 50. And as I age, my skin is going to continue to age beautifully. I really like to use this in the morning, and again, that caffeine that's in there helps to brighten your skin, helps to kind of re-energize your skin as well, and it's super easy to use. It's not a slippery serum by any means, so this is not something that I would recommend that you use to gua sha, but it is a really great step before I do my last step in my skincare routine. And the last step for the skincare side of things that I do in the morning is my SuperGoop face sunscreen. This is both a moisturizer and a sunscreen, so it's a 2-in-1. I absolutely love this. This is my second jar, and it's my favorite face moisturizer right now. I use this every single day because sunscreen is the most important step in your entire routine. So if you're not gonna wash your face, if you're not gonna do anything, the one thing that I recommend that you do is put some sunscreen on, because even if you're inside all day, you're still getting UV rays on your skin, and the sun is the #1 thing that causes your skin to age more rapidly. So wear your sunscreen, and I promise you will thank me. This is SuperGoop's Superscreen SPF 40 Daily Moisturizer. It's very light, very, very lightweight, and I absolutely love how it feels on my skin. And most often, if I'm not doing anything for the day, this is the last step for me. I pretty much am done after this. If I have to film content, if I have to go out to run groceries or get coffee or hang out with friends, then I will do my very minimalist makeup, no makeup look, which is exactly what I'm wearing right now. And it's very, very simple. I typically start with, you guessed it, taking my hair down. So I pretty much just take my hair down every single morning, and it looks the way that it looks right now. If it needs a little bit of a refresh, I will, use a spray product or anything along those lines. But for the most part, the hair just only needs to come out of its top knot bun, and she is good to go. Once we are done with all of our skincare and we're ready to move on to makeup, for me, the very first thing that I do, and the one thing I do almost every single day, is I put mascara on. Ilia Beauty has my favorite mascara of all time. They have two mascaras that I kind of rotate between, but right now I have been most in love with their Fullest Volumizing mascara. I love how it applies. The applicator is really, really great, and it has a nice thick application, and it just like fans your eyelashes out so beautifully. I really, really love this product, and it's just so amazing. Next for me is gonna be my brows, and this is from Kosas. This is Kosas's Brow Pop Dual Action Defining Pencil, and this is in the color medium brown. So I do not use black on my brows because I just don't think it looks as natural. I like for things to look very natural, and for me, I concentrate most of the work with my brow really at the tail end of my brow because that's where it tends to be a little more sparse, and then I use the spoolie end to fluff everything up to the top because I love that full brow look. And then for under eye, I love to use Kosas. I have this in several different shades, kind of depending on the time of the year. This is the shade 6.8W. They are really, really amazing at having a wide array of different shades to match your skin tone and to match like whatever the undertone is of your skin. So if you have cool tone, warm tone, you know, type of skin, they have the right kind of product for you. I just dab one dot close to my tear duct and then one at the end of my eye, and I use my finger, my ring finger typically, to just dab that out, and I just think it makes such a flawless under eye look that kind of brightens and makes your eyes pop. Those are the three that I use every single day in my makeup routine just to kind of make my face look bright and fresh and ready for the day. But if I want to do a little extra, I go in with the last three products. I love cream blushes. I think they just blend in with the skin better. They feel more dewy. I love to have a glowy look that is still very effortless and flawless. This is Ilia's multi-usage stick in the shade All of Me. This is what the color looks like. It's just this really gorgeous kind of, I guess I would say like rose, slight coppery toned color, and it just gives me like the perfect blush that looks like I've been kind of out in the sun, or maybe I went skiing and my skin is a little bit rosy, and I really, really love how this blends into my skin. If I want to go one step further, this is something that is new to me. I bought this about a month ago, and this is from a brand called Elaluz. I really, really love the packaging of this. I think it's so beautiful and so chic, and this is what I've been using for contouring, and I really only contour right underneath my cheekbone, and I just think it makes, you know, that definition on your face a little bit more like pop, and I really, really love it. This is in the shade called Super Yummy Natural, and this is technically a stick bronzer. It does not have any like shimmer or shine to it at all, but it works perfectly as a contouring color for me. It's the first contour I've ever found that I actually really enjoy and like, and I think it's just so perfect, and it's super easy to travel with as well, and the application is really easy. Again, this is a cream-based bronzer, but I am using it as a contour, and I just use my fingers to contour into the skin, and then I kind of go up with it a little bit to kind of blend into whatever blush I have on my face. Last but not least, I like to finish with a lip plumping product. There are two that I use, but right now I have been loving my Bite Beauty Lip Plumping Yaysayer Plumping Lip Gloss, and this is in the color Sugar Drizzle. It's got a little bit of glitter to it, and I just love that it's kind of that natural shimmery look, and because this is a natural lip plumper, it's not going to be as intense as some of the other lip plumpers that you might see on the market because it doesn't have those same type of ingredients. So most natural lip plumping products will have cinnamon in them, and they will have natural products that kind of naturally make your lips look a little more luscious. All right, you all, that is it for my morning skincare, makeup, no makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, do all the things below. Let me know, do you use any of these products? Are you into clean beauty products yourself? And if so, I'm always looking for more recommendations of new things to try. So drop those things down below in the comment section, and I can't wait to chat with you all soon. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!